This is Colin from Debrew, and this is the intro on how to build your own push database. Renee is going to show you in a 3-step series following this video on how to build your own push database. But you might ask, why would I build one, Colin? Well, it is great, absolutely great, because we have a way on how to find and obtain low-cost users, which means a method that allows you to subscribe users to your push database using a very easy software. You will be able to remarket them over and over and over again. You can set the limit yourself. You can spam them, like send 2 messages an hour, like 48 messages. You could do very crazy things, but obviously we recommend like 1-2 messages a day. Sometimes a little bit more intense depending on the settings and the flow you want to go. Renee will explain it all to you, all the possibilities. You can test different verticals, you can test different options, different countries. What we like to do is we like to start in tier 3 countries, get cheap subscribers just for you to learn the system, learn the processes, how things work and why they work in specific ways. The end result, of course, is some big dollars if you understand the system and you're able to implement it well, because now you have the possibility to remarket until the subscriber unsubscribes from your list. Then you cannot send them any notifications anymore. But until that point, if you have a healthy list, meaning you don't spam them, you just send them a couple of offers a week and you have a good click-through rate, because this is your own list. So the quality of traffic you make yourself. If you have a quality list and you remarket to them over and over and over again, you obviously have huge potential for profits. So have a look. Renee will explain it all to you. Good luck.